2018 Toyota Tacoma. So as you can see, they have really deep grooves and a nice sidewall. So it does a really nice job of holding all the sand or the water in place so it doesn't get back out all over your truck. Same thing with the water. You can pour a ton of liquid on this thing and it's deep enough that it's still not splashing out. It settles in the grooves really nicely, and they're easy to clean up. Installation of these is really simple. So the back is fit into one big piece, and there's no clips or anything. It just slides in here real snug. Once you get it in here, it just pops down. Same thing on the other side. Get down. And then it fits really nicely, so there's no bulges or anything. It holds really tight. It's pretty hard to get back up, so it sticks down there really nicely. And then the front is in 2 pieces. So the passenger side fits in just like the back, no clips. But the driver's side does have these 2 little hooks just to make it extra secure. You have to worry about it moving. And I like that this goes over the edge of the truck so you don't have that problem where the dirt gets under the edge like you can see it's doing in the old floor mats. Same thing, except just without the hooks. And it fits in there real nicely. Even without the hooks, it's not moving around because it fits in there perfectly. So overall, great product, definitely does